Sebastian, what happened?
We were talking, we poured drink and drank, and I don't know what happened. I thought you, Guinea. My hands are clean, Father.
Because the police think otherwise. They believe you did it. It is included in their reports.
How dare you?
Jeez.
How dare you accuse my son?
Your actions were totally selfish. See how you stylishly tried so hard to intelligently remove yourself from the case.
The voice. Something bad is about to happen.
It's going to be an eye.
You guys are just perambulating like someone who is looking for a girl to carry. What is the problem? Talk to me.
You don't know Chike. I know Chike more than you do. Chike is just a wolf in sheep's clothing.
Why is everybody attacking me in this palace?
As far as I am concerned, my son cannot even hurt a fly.
Go out there and get my son.
Yes, my mother.
This palace is beginning to look like a shadow of itself.
The prince is a psychopath. He's a serial killer. He's on a killing spree. He's still killing people out there.
There will be no presentation.
I prefer to do the presentation. The crown will go to another family.
I am hungry for my son.
I did not kill him or any of those victims.
I'm talking to you. Answer me. Where is my brother?
You think I don't know this is a ploy you want to use in shoving me off so you can marry that Cinderella whore you've been thinking of all your life? I need my husband's affection. I'm a woman. I have blood and water running through my veins. I want you to go back to the palace and tell the king that whatever that speaks to you instructed you to tell him that my son should be declared the heir to the throne.
And whatever happens, I am still the king. I will present who succeeds me.